What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so y'all, we are gonna use a 15-inch frame. We're gonna use this really cute Easter cow peeking in the window. Gonna use our bright yellow mesh. Y'all, now we can throw that on the floor. I like to fold it over, and then I like to fold in each side and give it a good scrunch. All right, now we're gonna add 10-inch poofs all the way around the top. All right, get that nice and tight. Now we're just gonna make our poofs all the way around. So we just get our little poofs right around the top. Y'all, now we're gonna take this bright pink and we're gonna add that to our twist. Y'all, we are gonna do 30-inch ruffles for the base and 20-inch for the top. So we're gonna need 10 total at 30. Now we need to cut 8 at 20. All right. So we're gonna take our 30-inch and we're gonna ruffle it or roll it twice on each end. Then we are going to just ruffle it down the middle. All right, so we're just adding those 30-inch pieces all the way around the bottom. Y'all, we got our 30-inch ruffles all the way around. Now we are going to take our 20-inch ruffles, curl them just a few times, and then ruffle. And then we're gonna add the 20-inch ruffles all the way around the top. So we got that done. Let's get our sign. All right, we're gonna take our mounting squares, also from Deco Exchange, and our super glue. All right, after you put your super glue and your sticky mounts, now you're gonna wanna use your hot glue. Get out our bow maker. All right, so we're gonna take it, we're gonna put our 4-inch first. Let's get ourselves about a 12-inch tail. Give it a good pinch. Give it a good twist. All right, y'all, now we're gonna measure out about 7 inches. Whenever you twist, you only do 180. If you did 360, you'd be back to the wrong color. All right, our loops are just gonna get a little bit smaller. Gonna slide that off. All right, give this a good pinch, then a good twist. All right, so the goal of our bow was just to bring out all of the different colors in our sun, and I think we succeeded. Right, we're gonna get 4 pipe cleaners to add around our sun back here. All right, we got everything tied off. Now, whenever I'm looking at my wreath, I notice there's a spot right here that's a little bit more flat than this side. So I'm actually just gonna use that to my advantage, and I'm gonna put my sign right in that spot. All right, so we attach that corner. Now we're gonna attach this corner over here. All right, now we're just gonna attach that last little corner. Y'all, now we're gonna grab our bow. All right, we're gonna make sure our bow is pointed up a little bit. Then we're gonna tie it down. Let's get our easy bow maker so we can measure our ribbon tails. I'm gonna use my 12-inch board. We're gonna need 9 of each. So y'all, now we're gonna just take our ribbon, match them up. thinking I'm gonna put the blue with the pink and not the green. Like that. All right, so to do that, we just layer them, fold them over. Give it a good pinch. Then we're gonna just put a set of ribbon tails in all of the twists around the wreath. All right, once you get them in there, just make your little X. You can see how that's happening there. We're just gonna keep going all the way around. All right, so let's clean up our bow real quick. I still have some of the flowers left over. Now I may just want to build them out of the bow. All right, so you can see how we've started outlining our bow. Just to give it a little bit of character. Now we're gonna go in a little bit and start filling into the bow with this one. Just gonna hold that there for a second to make sure the glue sticks. Don't drip, don't drip. All right, last flower stem. All right, now I'm just taking some of those stems and bringing them into the bow.